Question number 13. Y equals some term. I need to prove what is given in the question. So, this prove பண்ணனும். So, let me find out my first order derivative and second order derivative first. So, இப்போ y கொடுத்திருக்கு. What is my dy by dx? dy by dx equals 3 is a constant. Cos of log x இருக்கு. This is not cos x log x. Product ல இல்ல cos of log x. Okay. So, cos ஒரு derivative என்ன? Minus sign. So, I'll have minus sign of log x times log x ஒரு derivative is 1 divided by x plus 4 times sin order derivative என்ன? Cos. So, I'll have cos of log x times log x order derivative 1 divided by x. Okay. Please be very very careful on what is given. Cos x log x கொடுத்திருக்கா cos of log x கொடுத்திருக்கான்னு பாருங்க. Confuse ஆகாதீங்க. vu dash plus uv dash formula போட்டு வைக்காதீங்க. Okay. So, what will I have? Minus 3 sin of log x plus 4 cos of log x the whole divided by x. I'm just clubbing the two terms. So, now this is of the form u by v. So, இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல division use பண்ணோம். So, u divided by v. What is my u? Minus 3 sin of log x plus 4 cos of log x. So, u dash is going to be minus 3 அப்படியே இருக்கும். Sin ஓட derivative is cos. So, I'll have cos of log x times log x ஓட derivative is 1 divided by x plus 4 times cos of log x. Cos or derivative is going to be minus sin of log x times log x or derivative is 1 divided by x. So, this is going to be minus 3 cos of log x minus 4 sin of log x the whole divided by x. I'm just clubbing the two terms. This is my u dash. V dash enna? V equals x. So, v dash is going to be 1, as simple as that. So, formula enna? vu dash minus uv dash divided by v square. So, this will be formula substitute panna d square y divided by dx square is d by dx of the whole term. So, d by dx of the whole term panna enna agapodhu v u dash which is going to be x times minus 3 cos of log x minus 4 sin of log x divided by x. So, this is my v u dash minus uv dash. So, which is going to be, இப்போ bracket open பண்ண போறேன். I'll have minus 3 sin log x plus 4 cos log x. This is my u. V dash என்ன? 1. So, times 1. The whole divided by x square, v square. அதை மறந்துடக்கூடாது. So, இந்த இடத்துல the x and the x is going to get cancelled. So, what will I be left with? I'll have minus 3 cos of log x minus 4 sin of log x minus I'm going to multiply the minus inside. So, இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு minus இருக்கு, இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு minus இருக்கு. So, minus plus ஆயிடும், minusம் plusம் minus ஆயிடும். Okay, please be very careful on doing the calculation. So, I have plus 3 sin of log x minus 4 cos of log x the whole divided by x square. So, this is my d square y divided by dx square. Okay. So, இப்போ second order derivative கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு, first order கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Let me further simplify this. So, I have minus 3 cos minus 4 cos. So, I'll have minus 7 cos of log x minus 4 sin plus 3 sin. So, minus 1 sin. So, sin of log x the whole divided by x square. So, this is my d square y divided by dx square. இப்போ என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்றாங்க? So, what are they asking us to find? X square y2. So, this is going to be இந்த இடத்துல எழுதுறேன். I have x square y2 plus x y1 plus y equals 0. y2 na enna? This is my second order. This is my first order. So, x square times y2 enna vandhudu? What did we get here? Minus 7 cos log x minus 7 cos of log x minus sin of log x minus sin of log x the whole divided by x square. This is x square y2 plus இப்போ x y1. So, what is my y1 dy by dx? What did we get? It is over here. So, I have minus 3 sin log x. So, I have x times minus 3 sin of log x plus 4 cos log x plus 4 cos of log x the whole divided by x. The whole divided by x plus y equals 0. So, the x square and the x square gets cancelled, x and the x gets cancelled. So, what do I get now? Minus 7 cos of log x minus sine of log x minus 3 sine of log x plus 4 cos of log x plus y. What is my y? Question enna? 3 cos log x, 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin log x plus 4 sin log x equals 0. இதுதான் prove பண்ணணும். இப்போ cos terms எல்லாம் club பண்ணலாமா? So I have cos of log x times என்னென்ன coefficients இருக்கு? Let me mark them in purple. Minus 7 plus 4 plus 3. So I have minus 7 plus 4 plus 3 for cos. Sin என்ன இருக்கு? Sin of log x times I have minus 1 minus 3 plus 4. So இங்கே 0 வருது தெரியுதா? Minus 1 minus 3 plus 4 equals 0. So this is going to give me a 0. This is going to give me a 0. So I'll be left with cos of log x times 0 plus sin of log x times 0 equals 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. Hence proved. So we have found out the correct derivative. Second order first order தப்பு தப்பா பண்ணா இது 0 ன்னு வராது. Only if you do it correctly you'll get the right answer. Okay, so please copy. Question number 14. Y equals something. I need to prove this again. Okay, so இது prove பண்ணா என்ன ஆக போகுது? I'll have dy by dx. My first order is going to be a is a constant, e to the x இருக்கு. So e to the mx, but my constant coefficient is m. Coefficient of x is going to be m. So I'll have this plus b is a constant, e to the nx. So e to the nx and the n comes out. N is a constant of x, coefficient of x. So what will I have? A m e to the mx plus b n e to the nx. So this is my dy by dx. Now second order, d square y divided by dx square equals d by dx of a m e to the mx plus b n e to the nx. So I have a and m to be a constant, e to the mx, again the coefficient is m, plus bn is a constant, e to the nx, again the coefficient is n. So what will I have? A m square e to the mx plus b n square e to the nx. So this is my d square y divided by dx square. என்ன prove பண்ண சொல்றாங்க? This I need to prove. So இது ஒன்னொன்னா substitute பண்ணிட்டே வந்தா I'll have a m square e to the mx plus b n square e to the nx minus m plus n times dy by dx, which is going to be a m e to the mx plus b n e to the nx plus m n y. What is my y? The given question, e to the mx plus b e to the nx. This is equal to 0 nu prove பண்ணோம். இப்போ I'm going to multiply the terms inside. So I'll have a m square e to the mx plus b n square e to the nx minus, I'll open a bracket, I'm going to multiply the m plus n inside. So first m and the m, then n and the n. இந்த term multiply பண்ண போறேன். So what will I have? A m square e to the mx plus b m n e to the nx plus a m n e to the mx plus b n square e to the nx plus இப்போ இந்த term multiply பண்ண போறேன். So I'll multiply this inside. m n உள்ள multiply பண்ணா I'll have a m n e to the mx plus b m n e to the nx equals 0. இப்போ இந்த minus உள்ள multiply பண்ண போறேன். So for each and every term I'm going to multiply the minus inside. So I'll be left with a m square e to the mx plus b n square e to the nx minus a m square e to the mx minus b mn e to the nx minus a mn e to the mx minus b n square e to the nx plus the rest of the term. இந்த இடத்துல plus வரும். This is not equal to. So I'll have plus a mn e to the mx plus b mn e to the nx equals 0. இப்போ common terms எல்லாம் cancel பண்ணலாமா? So I'll have am square e to the mx, am square e to the mx. Then what else is common? bn square e to the nx minus bn square e to the nx. What else is common? இந்த இடத்துல am amn e to the mx, amn e to the mx, bm idum cancel. So everything is getting cancelled. So what do I have? 0 on my left hand side and 0 on the right hand side. So rendume equal. So hence proved. So whatever we found out, the first order and the second order is going to be equal. Okay, please copy.